Hi guys, just a very short video for the benefit of Anthony Niang. He wanted to know if I'd considered changing the batteries on one of the toys that I'd reviewed in one of my charity shop videos. What we have here is a few weeks worth of batteries changed out from toys, because every time I buy a charity shop toy, the chances are the batteries have actually corroded completely. You can see that one's all horrible, or at least they're going to be flat because they're usually left switched on in the charity shop because people play with them. So yes, I do change the batteries. And the batteries I use are usually the cheapest ones I can get in Poundland, because I only want to see if they work. Then I'll probably get rid of the toy again. If I keep them, then I might use better batteries in them. But generally speaking, I buy cheap Poundland batteries that are usually 10 or maybe even 16 for £1, and I use them. And I change out all the old ones. And these go to the recycling centre.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily. So don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. My second channel, Grandad's Other Channel, is where I put the longer videos with more detail. Then there's my Facebook page, and you can follow me on Twitter. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. And if you fancy some Grandad merchandise, I have 2 shops, one on Redbubble and the other on Cotton Cart. Finally, you can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.